everything?
Everything but a receiver and batteries.
Time has stopped.
It's the Hobby King Grand Tundra.
Hobby, what's the name of it?
Hobby King
Hobby King, yeah.
Grand Tundra.
Time has stopped.
What, a couple $100?
Like around 350.
More than that, huh?
Yeah, they got. I think. Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa! God dang, did I make you do that?
No, I don't know what happened.
Everything but a receiver and batteries. It's the Hobby King Grand Tundra. Hobby, what's the name of it? Hobby King. Hobby King, yeah. Grand Tundra. What, a couple $100? Like around 350. Yeah, they got, I think, whoa. No, I don't know what happened.
Everything but a receiver and batteries.
Time has stopped.
It's the Hobby King Grand Tundra.
Hobby, what's the name of it?
Hobby King
Hobby King, yeah.
Grand Tundra.
Time has stopped.
What, a couple $100?
Like around 350.
More than that, huh?
Yeah, they got. I think. Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa! God dang, did I make you do that?
No, I don't know what happened.
Dang it, man, like it's been in the grass.
Yeah, of course. Don't look too bad. Okay, getting ready to glue the wing braces on. You can see how they just kind of pulled right off. And the wings aren't even damaged, but there's how they pulled off. Get ready to glue them on. I'm going to use foam tack. Then here's the landing gear, how it came off. So I'm going to take the wing supports off, braces there, and then I'm going to clean it up and glue it back on. And I got a little scuff right there. You can see the fuse took a little dent there, but I left it in the car for 2 days of 90-degree weather, and it's got it back in shape. Epoxy to glue the landing gear on. It was a tough choice. I really wanted to use foam tack, but I don't know, my foam tack, when I foam tack the okay, just getting ready to put it back together so I can fly it today. Taking the wing off. This hole, those holes right there are what prevents your wing from fitting and the screws to be able to go down through the top, because they get glue in them. Because my wing, one of my wings didn't fit worth a darn when I first put it together. But when I was, after regluing these pieces on, I noticed that they weren't going in, and then it dawned on me that those holes had glue in them. And sure enough, once I cleaned the glue out of those holes, the wings went on.